Students, last two sessions we discussed about what was the systems reformation implemented by British East India Company in India. Now in this class once again we are discussing another point, modern English education system, how they implemented and what was the impact of British English education system. These are the matters we are discussing in this class. Before that we want to know, in ancient time Indians they got the education as a traditional way. They only discussed about Vedas, Upanishad, Puranas. These are the matters only they discussed and they get the education. Afterwards, Middle Age in Muslims they arrived to India and they captured some part of India and they provided education in Madrasa as a based on Muslim traditions or Muslim rules and regulations way in only they given a education. After 18th century, Europeans they came to India and they also started schools, English schools, but beginning only Europeans only they get the education. Who are settled, who are came for job opportunity in India, they only get the education. Okay, later, when Warren Hastings became a Governor General in 1781, he started by new school for give a education opportunity to Indians. That school name is Calcutta Madrasa. Afterwards, another person came, Jonathan Duncan. He also started by one of the new school, that is Sanskrit College in Banaras, in the year of 1792. Next, another person, he also given support to English education. That person name is Charles Grant. Okay, these three persons also they given education opportunity to Indians. That was English education opportunity. Okay, afterwards, but later, one of the important person, he only given more contribution to implementation of English education system. That person name is Lord William Bentinck. Okay, Lord William Bentinck, he became as a Governor General in 1828. When he became a Governor General, he appointed one of the person as a to survey of India. That person name is Macaulay. He is a president established by one of the new committee how we can provide English education to Indians. To analyze for only, he established by one of the new committee. That committee name is Macaulay. Macaulay Commissioner, Macaulay Committee. Who is become as a president of Macaulay Commission? Macaulay. Okay, in that based, he given a suggestions. He given some of the ideas for Lord William Bentinck. Okay, what he given or what was the summarized of this one commission? They given as a statement. What they given suggestion means we want to create a new society. New Indians means that like we want to give education. What is that one creation of new Indians or new Indian society? Okay, in that based, what we are giving education, what we are providing education, that getting by Indian body means who are they getting education? They are Indians, but after what they got intelligence means knowledge and what their opinion, what they taste, these are the matters full become as a English person or Englishman. These like we want to provide English education to Indians. Okay, these like of suggestion given by Macaulay to Lord William Bentinck. Okay, in that based, Lord William Bentinck implemented by new education system in India, that is modern English education system in India. Okay, next another person also came. He also given opportunity to development of English education system. That person name is Lord Dalhousie. Okay, implemented universities in various places. Majorly three important universities. First one is Calcutta, second one is Bombay, and another one is Madrasa, based on Charles Wood Commission report. In that based, he implemented by English education system in India. Not only this one, Lord Dalhousie, he universalized by English education system. Means all the peoples they want to get a English education system, that is compulsory. There is no caste, there is no religion, there is no color, there is no gender, there is no race. Anyone they can get English education system. This like policy implemented by Lord Dalhousie. Okay, next we want to discuss now what was the impact of British education system in India. Now one by there are 7 points there mentioned in your book, reader book. That only we are discussing now one by one. Okay, first one. Till that time we don't know what is meant by modernity, what is meant by development. These are the matters we don't know. When English education system came, now we understood how we can develop our lifestyle, how we want to live. Not only this one, next one, secularism means all are one. We should not do dominate against based on caste. And democratic, we want to give each person also they have a rights. And last one is rationality, means we want to give each person idea for also we want to give a importance. These like matters we understood after the implementation of British English education system. This is first point. Second one, when English education system came, after only we understood the importance of local language or local literature. And not only this one, we understood we all are one. These are the matters we understood after the implementation of British education system. I will say one of the best example. For example, we understood our local language history or importance. For example, Kannada, we are saying this language implemented 2000 years back. So we are getting evidence also. One of the important evidence is Almidi inscriptions. How we get this one about the information? How we get the knowledge? Because of modern English education system. Okay, next one. In that time, when the British implemented by English education system, periodicals means newspapers also published. Peoples, they got the awareness of different places or different issues. They started to speak and they saying their opinion. And they share. And any problems they arise, now they can solve easily. Because of they got the knowledge about what are the situations is going on in our society. This is third point. Next one, fourth point. When English education system implemented, social and religious reformation started in India. For example, so many of people they came because of in Hindu or what are the religions we are following. In that, some of the mistakes we are did. For example, Hindu religion, there are so many of mistakes. There are so many of bad practice we have started. So want to eradicate in that purpose only social and religious reformation started. You already know Dayananda Saraswati, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Jyotiba Phule. There are so many of people they came. Okay, next one, fifth point they given. Only we thought that we get the knowledge before arrival of British English education system, only Veda, Upanishad, Puranas, only these matters. But when English education system came, we are discussed about who person, which are the things or which are the philosophy they given. These matters also we started to discuss. Okay, here they given some of the important person name. First one is J.S. Mill, second one is Rousseau and Montesquieu. What they given ideas, suggestions, or what they given thoughts, we are discussed that one about, and we are get some of the ideas. And Indians also become as a in that way like only peoples. Okay, next sixth one point here they given when British they implemented by British East India this one English education system, Indians they started struggle against British. One of the important reason is English education system is influenced by English education system. So we started freedom struggle against British East India Company. And last one, till that time we don't know what is our traditions, what is our culture, or what is our civilization. we are thinking not only we English peoples or British also, they thought that Indians are uncivilized peoples. They are like a dog. But when English education system arrived, English peoples, not only English peoples, Indians also understood Indian culture is very rich culture or very rich tradition. Because of they got the source, one of the important source, Sindhu civilization, one of the Asian civilization of the world. First time we are given a contribution how we can form as a city or state. These are the contribution given by Indians. When they got this lack of information, when British they came, when they implemented by English education system, in that base we understood our tradition or our culture is very rich. So these are the important points about modern English education system and impact of English education system. Okay, thank you.